Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly, while others struggle their entire lives? It's not luck, and it's not just hard work. It's something much deeper. Right now, your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions are shaping your financial reality. The law of attraction is working in your life every second, whether you realize it or not. But here's the secret. When you learn to consciously direct it, you unlock the power to create unlimited wealth and abundance. Imagine waking up every day feeling confident, knowing that money flows to you with ease. No more stressing over bills or worrying about your future. Instead, you're living a life of financial freedom and prosperity. Sound too good to be true? It's not. It's a proven process. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the law of attraction to make money. You'll discover practical steps, powerful mindset shifts, and daily habits that can transform your life. By the end of this guide, you'll be equipped with everything you need to start attracting wealth today. So, are you ready to take control of your financial destiny? Let's get started. The law of attraction is simple. What you focus on, you attract. It's the idea that your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs send out a frequency that shapes the reality around you. Think of it like a magnet. When you focus on abundance, you pull opportunities, resources, and wealth into your life. But when your mind is stuck on fear, scarcity, or doubt, you attract more of those experiences instead. This isn't just wishful thinking, it's backed by science. Your brain has something called the reticular activating system, or RAS, which acts like a filter. It takes what you focus on and shows you more of it in your daily life. If you constantly think, "I'm broke," your RAS will find more reasons to confirm that belief. But when you shift your thoughts to, "I am capable of creating wealth," your mind begins to notice opportunities you might have overlooked before. The law of attraction doesn't mean sitting back and waiting for money to magically appear. It's about aligning your mindset and actions with what you want. The more you focus on abundance, the more you start to think, act, and make decisions like someone who is financially successful. And that's when the magic begins to happen. The foundation of the law of attraction is understanding this. Your reality begins in your mind. If you want to change your financial situation, you have to change your thoughts first. Everything starts there. Money isn't just numbers in a bank account, it's a reflection of your mindset. If you've ever thought, "I'm not good with money," or "I'll never be rich," those beliefs are shaping your reality. Limiting beliefs act like invisible barriers, keeping you stuck in the same financial patterns. The good news? You can break free from them. First, you need to identify these beliefs. Think about the stories you've been telling yourself about money. Were you taught that money is the root of all evil? Or that wealthy people are greedy? These ideas might seem harmless, but they create resistance, making it harder for you to attract abundance. The next step is to challenge these beliefs. Ask yourself, is this really true? For example, if you believe, "I'll never earn enough," look for evidence to the contrary. Have you ever achieved something you thought was impossible? If so, you already have proof that you can break through limitations. Finally, replace those negative beliefs with empowering ones. Instead of saying, "I can't afford that," try, "How can I afford that?" This simple shift trains your brain to look for solutions instead of focusing on problems. Affirmations can help too. Statements like, "I deserve wealth," or "Money flows to me easily," reinforce a new, positive mindset. Your beliefs are powerful, but they're not permanent. When you let go of the ones that hold you back and embrace those that lift you up, you open the door to financial freedom. It all starts with the way you think. Visualization is one of the most powerful tools for attracting wealth because it helps you program your mind for success. When you imagine yourself living in abundance, you're not just daydreaming. You're creating a mental blueprint for the life you want to build. The key is to make your visualization as vivid and detailed as possible. Close your eyes and picture your ideal financial life. See yourself in the home you've always dreamed of, driving the car you love, or traveling to the places you've always wanted to visit. Imagine looking at your bank account and seeing the balance you desire. Don't just see it, feel it. Feel the joy, confidence, and security that come with financial freedom. Your brain doesn't distinguish between real experiences and vividly imagined ones. When you visualize wealth, you activate the same neural pathways that you would if you were actually experiencing it. This helps rewire your mind to believe that abundance is not only possible, it's already happening. To make visualization even more effective, pair it with action. After seeing yourself as financially successful, ask yourself, what's one step I can take today to move closer to this reality? By combining mental imagery with real-world effort, you create a powerful feedback loop that accelerates your journey to wealth. Remember, visualization is not about wishing. It's about training your mind to focus on abundance so you can create it. The clearer your vision, the more magnetic you become to the opportunities and resources that align with your goals. Emotions are the secret ingredient that amplifies the power of the law of attraction. It's not enough to think about wealth, you have to feel it. When your emotions align with the abundance you want to attract, you create a powerful energy that draws it into your life. The challenge is learning how to feel rich before you actually see the money in your bank account. Start by tapping into the emotions you associate with wealth. What does financial freedom feel like to you? Is it a sense of peace, excitement, or security? Close your eyes and imagine holding a check with your ideal amount written on it. Feel the gratitude, the pride, and the confidence as if it's already yours. The more vividly you connect with these emotions, the stronger your attraction becomes. But what happens when your current reality feels anything but abundant? This is where emotional alignment becomes a practice. Instead of focusing on what you lack, shift your attention to what you already have. Gratitude is a powerful tool. It helps you feel abundant even in small ways. When you focus on the good, you invite more good into your life. Whenever negative emotions like doubt or frustration creep in, don't ignore them. Acknowledge them, but remind yourself that they're temporary. Replace them with thoughts and feelings that reflect the wealth you're creating. This might feel unnatural at first, but over time, it becomes second nature. The key is to feel like you're already living the life you want. When your emotions match your desires, you become a magnet for the opportunities, resources, and circumstances that bring those desires into reality. Wealth starts in your heart, long before it shows up in your hands. The law of attraction isn't just about thinking positively or visualizing success. It requires action. But not just any action, inspired action. Inspired action is different from busy work or effort that feels forced. It's when you're guided by clarity, intuition, and a sense of alignment with your goals. This is how you turn your thoughts into reality. When you're clear about what you want and emotionally aligned with it, opportunities start to appear. These might come as ideas, sudden insights, or even a gut feeling to take a certain step. Pay attention to these moments. They're often subtle, but they're powerful nudges from the universe guiding you toward your goals. For example, you might feel the urge to reach out to someone, apply for a job, or start a side business. These actions might seem small, but they're significant because they're rooted in alignment with your desires. The key is to trust these instincts and act on them, even if they feel uncomfortable or uncertain. At the same time, don't wait for inspiration to strike before doing anything. Take consistent, purposeful steps every day, even if they seem minor. Each step builds momentum and creates opportunities for more inspired action to follow. Think of it like building a bridge. Every action is another plank that brings you closer to your vision. The magic of inspired action is that it feels natural and fulfilling. You're not forcing results. You're co-creating them with the energy you've already put into your thoughts and emotions. When your actions align with your vision, success becomes inevitable. Gratitude is one of the most powerful forces for attracting abundance. When you appreciate what you already have, you send a clear message to the universe. I am open to receiving more. It's not just about saying thank you out of habit. It's about truly feeling grateful in your heart for the blessings in your life, no matter how small they may seem. Think about it. When you focus on lack, you create more lack. But when you focus on the good, you amplify it. Gratitude shifts your energy from scarcity to abundance, and that shift makes you a magnet for more things to be grateful for. It's a cycle of growth that starts with acknowledging what's already going well in your life. Start each day by reflecting on 3 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be monumental. It could be the roof over your head, the food on your table, or even the opportunities you're working toward. The more you practice this, the more you'll notice how much abundance already surrounds you. Gratitude doesn't just shift your mindset, it changes your actions too. When you appreciate what you have, you take better care of it. You're more inspired to grow and improve, which opens doors to even greater success. Remember, wealth isn't just about money. It's about feeling rich in every area of your life. When you cultivate gratitude, you align yourself with the energy of abundance, and the universe responds in kind. What you appreciate grows, and the more grateful you are, the more reasons you'll find to be thankful. Consistency and trust are the backbone of using the law of attraction to create sustained wealth. It's easy to feel motivated when you first start, but true transformation happens when you stay consistent, even when the results aren't immediately visible. Think of the process like planting a seed. You wouldn't expect a tree to grow overnight, and you wouldn't abandon it just because you don't see progress right away. Instead, you water it daily, trusting that with time, it will flourish. The same is true for your financial goals. Every thought you focus on, every emotion you align, and every inspired action you take is like watering that seed. Trust is equally important. There may be moments when doubt creeps in, and you wonder if the law of attraction is really working. This is where many people give up, but trust is about believing in the process, even when you can't see the full picture. The universe works in its own timing, and often the results show up in ways you didn't expect. Consistency also builds momentum. When you make gratitude, visualization, and inspired action a daily habit, they become part of who you are. This isn't about occasional effort. It's about showing up for your goals every single day. Wealth isn't created by one big action. It's the result of many small, consistent steps. When you combine trust with consistency, you create a foundation that can't be shaken. You'll not only attract wealth but sustain it, building a life of lasting abundance and prosperity. The key is to keep going, no matter what, and to trust that everything you desire is already on its way. You now have the tools to use the law of attraction to transform your financial reality. From shifting your mindset and visualizing abundance to taking inspired action and practicing gratitude, you've learned how to align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the wealth you desire. But remember, this isn't just about knowing, it's about doing. And if you've ever wondered why some people make a lot of money easily, while you, even with so much sacrifice, study, and dedication, can't prosper, if you want to discover the secrets that helped me unlock my mind and go from debt to millionaire in less than 1 year, I have something amazing for you. In my new book, Rich Mind, I'm going to show you that getting rich is easy and that what's really difficult is convincing yourself of it. If you want to put an end, once and for all, to your hidden enemies who sabotage your success and unlock your mind to make money towards the life you deserve, I will leave the official link for you to download the Rich Mind ebook here in the description and in the first comment pinned to this video. Dare to think differently. Let's continue. The law of attraction is always working, whether you use it consciously or not. The question is, will you take control and use it to create the life you've always dreamed of? Every thought you think, every feeling you cultivate, and every action you take brings you closer to your goals. So, here's my challenge for you. Start today. Take one step right now to shift your energy toward abundance. Maybe that's writing down your financial goals, practicing gratitude for what you already have, or visualizing your ideal life. Whatever it is, commit to it and trust the process. If this video inspired you, make sure to like it and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. And don't forget to subscribe for more powerful tips on unlocking abundance and creating the life you deserve. Your journey to financial freedom begins now. Everything you need is already within you. Go out and claim the wealth that's waiting for you.